everyone. So in this video, I will let you know about the XSS. That means cross-site scripting. So this is the second lecture, and I have already covered one lecture on this. So you can also visit that lecture to get the more information. I have explained how we use the XSS or how we inject the code in the website. So there was a practical for the hacking the website or inject the code. So this is the second lecture, and this in this lecture I will let you know with the practicals some advanced cases, right? So as you know, guys, I'm using two machine here. So if I showcase you, this is my Kali machine, this is the attacker machine, and this is the Metasploit 2 Linux. This is the target machine, right? So I'm using this machine as a local server, right? So if you type the IP of my second machine, Metasploit machine here, so you will get the 5 website for the testing, right? You will get means I will get, not exactly you. So if you configure the same machine on your local, so you will also get the same thing, right? So how you configure, so I have already covered on lecture how you configure the Metasploit 2 machine on your local, right? So this is my Metasploit IP. If I type this IP, so I will get this 5 website for the testing purpose. So today we will use Metal Day. There is a website here, so we will use this website for the testing. So let's go to the page. Here is the WASP 10, and if we go to the injection, okay, injection, then JavaScript injection and password generator, right? So if you click on this, so you will get a page for the generate password. So let's try to generate password. If you click generate button, so you will provide the anonymous password for the anonymous user, a unique password for the anonymous user, right? So you can see here, this is the coming from the URL, whatever we type in URL here. So this is the variable which we are reflecting here on UI. So if you change here, for example, if you type any name and enter, so you can see also that name also coming into the UI. So that means there is a chance which we can inject our code into this, right? If you click on generate, so you will get also a password for the Ankush, that is the unique password. So there is a chance for the generate or inject our code into this page. So as we always use, I am using this. Guys, I am using the simple script code here. You can, if the your target is vulnerable, so you can inject any advanced code from the cheat sheet, which I have already mentioned in my first lecture or previous lecture, right? So if you copy here and paste into here, so basically this should return the alert because I'm injecting code here, JavaScript code script, and I'm trying to alert here, right? And close the tab also script, this one, right? If you enter here, so you can see you are not able to get the alert and you are getting the something error, right? So this is how you think about the injection, or this is how you can inject your code, or how you think of, right? So let's try to inject here. If you inspect this page, right, if you inspect and go to this error, so you if you go to this error, so let's go to where it is, I think in this, and okay, okay, this is a script here, you can see, right? This is our code which we have inject here. Try, this is the code where we are getting the element, and this password is for, and then our code. So you can see we are using script tab here, right? And there is already used script tab tag, right? So we don't need to use this script tag here, right? So without script tag, we can, I think, do this. So if you remove here script tag, if you remove from here and from starting, right? So I have removed this, and you can see here, this is the semicolon or double quote start. This password is 4, and whatever we type, so we have to give the one double quote because we will close this statement and um, start new statement, right? So I am typing this double quote, right? So I have typed double quote, and then for the execution of new line, you can see here this is the semicolon. So I have also typed this. If I type here, so it will start our code from here, and I will also type one semicolon to for the new line, right? So if I enter, okay, what we are getting, we are not getting anything. But if we go to the inspect element on the same, so I think we have found something from here. If you, yeah, if you go to the script tag, so again we are also getting the, we are not able to getting because our code in catch statement or what we have typed, yeah, alert XSS, then this. You can see here there are two semicolon used. One semicolon is from us, from our code, and then again the double quote and again semicolon. So that means we can make the last semicolon as a comment. So in JavaScript, you know how we make the comment. So if you make the comment, so this is we have to type, and that means after this one anything code will not execute, right? So if you, I type this and enter, yeah, you can see I am able to get the alert which I was trying, right? So you can see this is the code where we are able to get the alert, right? So this is how we can inject the code. There are sometimes guys we use directly this code and try to inject this, like this is the alert code. So but if you try this directly, this will not work. This will work uh, if you type this, then this will work. That means I analyze the code first, right? And according to that code I make this code, right? So you, if you are using if you are trying to inject your code, so you have to think how the code is working in backend, right? If you able to understand how the code is working, so according to that you can inject your code whatever you type. So this is the simplest code I'm just trying to alert, but you can inject here multiple like any malware or any vulnerable code which are maybe harm for the website. So you can also inject that code. So guys, this is all in this video, and I will provide a link of playlist in my description for the hacking tutorial. So you can also visit that all lecture. You will get all lecture. So yep, this is all in this video, and thank you.